Hey y'all, Lisa with Hobby Time. More fun stuff to get into as per usual, as we do. So I hope you're ready because I'm definitely ready to get into it. So let's get into it, alright? Alright, check it out. So, more CVP, if you've watched my other videos. But this time, I got no babies, no kittens versus gherkins. The original, just cats versus pickles, okay? On this bag, this is the gold wave, so it's got the yellow bags. They don't do the purple ones anymore because those are retired, but they have some gamer ones, all sorts of ones you get. Inside the bags, they usually have a checklist and stuff, which is nice. And then this is one of their other ones they do. Like I told you before, they have the versus. It's always something versus something, right? And so this one's dogs versus squirrels, so we can either have a dog in here or a squirrel in here. I don't have very many of these in my very own collection. I have like a couple of dogs. I haven't really gotten into them very much. I have a ton of these, but I don't know what's inside. You can't... We're just gonna have to you're gonna have to go on this journey with me and figure out what we're gonna open. So we'll go one and one. Let's start off with one of these guys. Everyone knows I'm a pickle fan, so maybe we'll get a pickle, but maybe a cat. I feel like I'm cutting into something, but it's just really this backing here. I'm like, don't cut the product. Alright. Now these are much bigger. Oh, she, I don't know. We can't assume. It's very pretty, very soft. I like the mouth. It's different. I like when they do different mouths. I really do. Oh my gosh, it has a cute little frog on the back. And that's their like logo, cat and pickle. Little cute little tail. These are great. These are great if you're like... Okay, if you don't collect them, you can take the tags off and like just totally stress out and squish them. Let's see what their tag says. Lily, this cat loves the water. And then it gives you a number and the little code to scan that free game on the app you can get in the store, the App Store, Play Store. So it's like a lily pad. Very cute. I really enjoy this one. It's super soft. I love the color and the shading of the greens. I wish the frog was on the front because if you store them or show them on a shelf, you can't see it. I kind of wish the frog was like here. But super cute. I enjoy Lily. Okay, so that's a cat. Why don't we open one of these? Kind of do one and one. Alright. It's very thick. Hey, wait a minute. Did that one even come with a... I'm sorry, you guys. I tell you they all come with a list, and then I didn't show you the list. Struggle is real. Okay. See the gold beans. They all call them beans. If you ever get into like a group, they're like, oh, I have this bean, that bean. They're all just called beans. If you want... Pause the video and kind of do a quick look over of what you can get during this series. And I can get more. And then just, if you like, comment down below if you want me to get more of the CVP, if you're going to want more of the dogs versus squirrels. Let me know. And let me know what you guys think of what I'm opening today. Alright, let's see who we get. Oh my gosh! He's so cute! Look at, he's got his little walkie-talkie, his little camo gear, and see, he's got a dogs versus squirrels on his hiney cheeks. Okay, so their tags are a little bit bigger. This is Earl, and it tells you right... Can you see that? There you go. It says a greyhound. Now, Earl, tired of all the bus jokes... sold his house and now lives off the grid, forages for food into geocaching. Geocaching, oh my gosh, he's a geocacher? If you don't know what that is, it's a worldwide treasure hunt game. It's free. You have to Google it. It's really, really fun. My husband and I play it. He introduced it to me. It is a blast. You go and you find like these little containers. You just write your name down. You hide it. Don't let people see it because they'll steal it. Some of them come with little treasures in it that you switch out and trade. It's just a lot of fun. You should go do it. But super cute. And the fact that he's into geocaching, I love that. I really, really love that. They come with their list. I don't think these guys have a free game. I think just the Cats vs. Pickles have a game. Purple Mystery Wave. So, again, if you'd like, you can pause the video. I'll try not to make it too shiny. And you can look at this list. It's got a front and a back. People love the egg guy. Can you see him? Everyone loves the egg ones. But you can pause the video, take a look, and then push play to finish up. But we got... Oh, where the heck is he? Oh, he's over here. Number 42. Alright. So, super cute. Okay, we got a dog and a cat. Kind of matching with the green over here. So let's open another Cats vs. Pickles. Oh, well, isn't this adorable? Kind of looks like... I'm not a fan of the... It's just like squint, you know, eyes. I don't know, it just kind of looks like she got punched in the eyes. I don't like the red, but I love the mouth. It's cute. Little tongue sticking out. No design. It's supposed to be a, like a dessert. A Madeline. This cat is a little cookie. Get it like a cookie? Like one of those dipped cookies. Really cute, soft material. These things, they use like the best material for. You almost would like a blanket out of them. They're so soft. I just love these. These are great. If you're old enough to remember like the 90s, now if you're a kid you don't, but like the TY Beanie Baby craze, these are kind of like that, and it's bringing total nostalgic flashbacks for me because I did collect those, which those are also, a few of them are on my eBay if you want that, and my eBay link will be in the description for anyone that wants some of these. But that's what these remind me of, and it's just so fun. I love collecting that kind of stuff. All right, let's open our other Dogs vs. Squirrels and see what we get. Do you think it's a dog, or do you think we got a squirrel? Oh my gosh, we got a squirrel. So we got one of each. This guy is chunky. So thick. Look, boom. Got some, he been storing all sorts of stuff. Look at him. His tail has no beans in it, but it's like soft and, what is this? It's just a squirrel. Sunny Squirrel. His attack mode, use mirrors and shiny objects to stun dogs. So they have like their own little story of why the dogs go, you know, they're against each other. And they have the same list as the other ones. There's less squirrels than there are dogs. See, there's like only 3 on the front page. Hey, look. There's a squirrel that matches this guy. Interesting. I don't even see Sunny on here. Of course, I'm like, oh, there. I'm like all staring directly at it. But anyway, lots of cute ones here. Lots of cute things. Really cute. Really. These squirrels, man. Like, he is double. Like, he's got some room to move. He's like packed. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's get this last one open here. So far, no dupes, which is great. Okay, so we have like a camo theme apparently going on as well. We have our camo dog and our camo thing. Camo cat, I say. Really cute. Love this color. Like this shade of pink, I like. I like the dark pink. Personally. Cat mouflage. I'm invisible. Not really. You're bright pink. We can totally see you. Unless, like, maybe you're hiding amongst some Easter grass or whatever. But pretty sure we can see you, dude. That's okay. Really cute. Love it. Love their play on words. Very clever. Very soft. So, and she comes with a list as well. See, she's actually like this first one. And sometimes their lists come out before they do, and so their names are a little different, or you'll find like little differences, and they called them, you know, variants and stuff like that. And some people collect just the different ones. But these are fun. Tell me which one you like the best, which one you thought you like, you know, is your favorite. Do you want me to open more of these guys? See how many more of these guys we can get, different ones. Do you like the squirrels? Do you like the dogs? Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. This guy kind of has a huge, like, his eyes seem really low compared to how much forehead's here, how much forehead's here. He seems kind of crazy forehead. Anyway, alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe and keep track, because later this month I'm going to have an exclusive Mayhem Kickstarter box to open from this company, and that will be a blast to open. So stick with me, okay? Alright, thanks guys. Bye.